Hello, wish you a happy new day. Cucumber is a very healthy food. Cucumber contains many vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, K, magnesium, potassium, manganese. Let's grow cucumbers at home. To grow seedlings, I choose old and firm seeds to grow young plants. I sowed cucumber seeds and garlic cloves to help them germinate quickly. Garlic can repel insects that invade seeds. I will choose loose soil to plant the seeds. After sowing, I water the seeds with clean water to keep them moist. High humidity stimulates faster germination. Now that the seeds have sprouted, I took a paint can, cut it apart, and tied the two ends together to grow the cucumbers. I drilled holes to drain water and prevent the plant from getting waterlogged. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. I took a soda bottle and attached a wick to it so the water would slowly humidify the plant. When planting, I add worm castings to mix with the soil because worm castings have many nutrients. Please subscribe to the channel Leave comments below the video and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Now the sapling is growing well, so I will plant it. Clean water is essential for plants, so I will pour water into the vase. Well, after a few days the plant has taken root, I will lightly till the soil to loosen it. I put the eggs at the base of the tree, because eggs have many nutrients that are good for the tree. I added soil on top to hold the plant more firmly. I added soil on top to hold the plant more firmly. I spread rice husks on top to keep the plants moist. The plant needs a lot of water, so I have to water it extra to keep it moist all the time. At this stage, I need to make a trellis for the cucumbers. I use dry bamboo and split it into small pieces to make a trellis for the cucumbers to grow on. I continued to water the plants. I plant some tomatoes on top of the soil because tomatoes help keep the soil moist and increase pollination. I mix ginger with water to spray on plants. Ginger repels pests and provides very good nutrition for plants. When the tree has flowered, I pollinate the female flowers with the male flowers to stimulate fruit set. At this stage, the young fruit will grow a lot. I will cut off some of the old leaves to avoid the leaves competing with the fruit for nutrients. I add more worm castings and water to increase nutrients for the plant to produce bigger fruit. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.